Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today, Emma and Bella are talking about Christmas. We will learn what Christmas is, who Santa is, how people celebrate it, and some fun Christmas idioms. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Emma, Christmas is coming soon. I see lights everywhere.
Yes, Christmas is a very special time of the year.
I know it is important, but I want to understand it better.
That's great, Bella. Let's talk about Christmas together. Christmas is a holiday celebrated on December 25th. Christmas Eve is the night before Christmas Day. For many people, Christmas is a time for family, kindness, and giving. People often decorate their homes, exchange gifts, and say Merry Christmas. For Christians, Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. For others, it is a cultural holiday focused on togetherness, warmth, and joy.
Emma, when Christmas comes, the first thing I notice is the Christmas tree.
Yes, the Christmas tree is a very important Christmas symbol.
Why do people decorate trees at Christmas?
That's a good question. Let's take a closer look at the Christmas tree. A Christmas tree is a tree people decorate at Christmas. It can be real or artificial. People usually put the tree inside their home, often in the living room. People decorate the tree with lights and ornaments. Many families decorate the tree together. They talk, laugh, and enjoy the time together. A star is often placed on the top of the tree.
Look, the lights are shining.
Yes, it looks beautiful already.
I want to put the star on the tree. Thank you, Dad.
You're very welcome, sweetie.
People put gifts under the tree. They are opened on Christmas Day. Children feel excited and happy.
Wow, what's inside? Look, it's shining. This is the best gift.
The Christmas tree is a symbol of eternal life and hope. It is an important part of Christmas celebrations.
When people decorate trees, they are using Christmas symbols. Now let's look at a few common ones. Christmas tree symbolizes eternal life, hope, and light in the darkness. We put up the Christmas tree in the living room. Christmas lights symbolize hope, warmth, and joy. We decorate the house with Christmas lights. Ornaments symbolize faith, hope, and life. We hang the ornaments on the tree. Star symbolizes hope and guidance. We put the star on top of the tree. Wreaths symbolizes eternity, unity, and the cycle of life. We hang the wreath on the door. Stockings symbolize generosity, hope, and the spirit of giving. We hang the stockings by the fireplace. Gifts symbolize connection, care, appreciation, and love. We place the gifts under the tree.
Emma, I see trees and lights everywhere, but I also see Santa Claus everywhere.
Yes, Santa Claus is another important part of Christmas.
Who is Santa Claus?
Let's talk about Santa. Santa Claus is a Christmas character. He is known for being kind and generous. On Christmas Eve, Santa flies across the night sky. He wears a red suit and has a big white beard. He often looks happy and friendly.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Santa brings gifts to children. He visits homes on Christmas night. Many children believe Santa comes while they are sleeping. They feel excited and full of joy.
Oh, this chimney is a bit small for me.
Santa has a list. It is called Santa's list. The list has children's names. People say Santa knows who is nice and who is naughty.
Let me check my list. Who has been kind this year?
Santa's list reminds children to be kind and well-behaved. Many families leave cookies and milk for Santa. They put them near the Christmas tree or by the fireplace. This is a fun Christmas tradition. It shows thanks and kindness to Santa.
I made these cookies for Santa. I hope he likes them.
Santa Claus is a symbol of giving, kindness, and joy. He reminds us to be kind, generous, and caring at Christmas.
Remember, Christmas is about being kind and sharing love.
Santa is not alone. There are other Christmas characters too. Now let's take a quick look. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is the main Christmas character. He is a symbol of giving and kindness. Rudolph. Rudolph is a famous reindeer. He is special because of his red nose. He is a symbol of being different and brave. Christmas elves. Elves are Santa's helpers. They make toys and help prepare gifts. Snowman. The snowman is a fun winter character. It brings joy and playfulness in winter. The Nutcracker. A classic Christmas character from ballet and music. Very popular in winter performances. The Grinch. The Grinch is a Christmas story character. At first, he does not like Christmas. Later, he learns about kindness and love.
Christmas has trees, Santa, and many characters.
That's right.
So what do people actually do on Christmas Day?
Good question, Bella. On Christmas, people do many special things. People decorate their homes with lights and Christmas decorations. The decorations make the home feel warm and festive.
Can you hold the lights a little higher?
Sure! Our home feels so festive now.
People exchange gifts with family and friends. They smile and say Merry Christmas to each other. Giving gifts is a way to show care and love.
This is for you. I hope you like it. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Families often eat a special meal together. They sit at the table, talk, and enjoy the food. It is a happy time to share stories and laughter.
I love Christmas dinner.
I'm so happy we are together.
Yes, family time is the best part of Christmas.
People listen to Christmas music. Some people go caroling and sing songs together. Music helps people feel happy at Christmas.
Silent night, holy night.
Some people go to church on Christmas, others celebrate quietly at home. Everyone celebrates Christmas in their own way. Some people make donations during the holiday season. They give money, food, or clothes to help others. Donations are a way to show kindness and care. They help make Christmas warmer for everyone.
Santa, I want to help too.
That's very kind of you.
Now let's look at a few more activities people do on Christmas. Using Advent calendars. People use an Advent calendar to count down to Christmas. Baking cookies. Families bake gingerbread cookies together at Christmas. Making Christmas cards. People make Christmas cards for family and friends. Writing letters to Santa. Children write letters to Santa before Christmas. Watching movies. We love a family Christmas movie marathon. Driving to see lights. People drive around the neighborhood to see Christmas lights.
Emma, now I understand Christmas much better.
I'm glad to hear that.
Christmas is not just about gifts. It's about family, kindness, and being together.
Yes. Christmas is also a time to say thank you and I care about you.
I like that. That feels very meaningful.
Exactly. Christmas looks different for everyone, but the feeling is the same. Bella, you know what? Let's wrap up today's Christmas conversation with a few fun idioms.
Good idea. Let's take a look.
Now let's learn some Christmas idioms and expressions you'll hear during the holiday season. Deck the halls. To decorate a home or building for Christmas. We are decking the halls for Christmas. White Christmas. A Christmas with snow. We are dreaming of a white Christmas. Lit up like a Christmas tree. Something makes someone very happy. She was so excited, her face lit up like a Christmas tree. The more the merrier. More people make an activity more fun. Let's invite everyone. The more the merrier. Make the nice list. to be good or well-behaved. I hope I make the nice list this year. Christmas came early. Something good happens unexpectedly. I'm getting a bonus this year. It feels like Christmas came early. That's today's story. Christmas is about warm hearts, kind words, and being together. I hope this video helps you understand Christmas a little better. Thank you for learning with us today. We wish you a warm and peaceful Christmas. See you next time. Bye for now.